G'day, I'm back with another sock review, so let's see what I've got today. I have Mazzoni men's Parrot socks. Look like parrots, I guess. $9.99, farmers, all that bullshit there. Had them for a few months, haven't opened them up yet because I just got so much pairs. Pretty soft. Yeah, I'll pop these on and give a review. Alright, so here they are. Pretty cool if I say so myself. Some nice parrots. They're pretty thin though, so you wouldn't want to wear them with like boots or anything, but just summer day socks really. Look pretty badass. Friends will get jealous. Oh bro, where'd you get those socks? Oh, farmers, gee. And just, yeah, here's some of my collection. Oh shit, wrong drawer. Oh, look at all those socks. And then I got these ones here. What? You crazy? So much damn socks. Oh shit. And yeah, if I get, say, 10 subscribers, I'll do a sock giveaway. So just, you know, subscribe and yeah. Review out of 10, maybe, I don't know, 5 thumbs up. It's not out of 10, it's just however many thumbs is better. Fuck, did that even make sense? Eh, whatever, I don't care. Alright, peace. Smash that like button, yeah.